para siyang batuta actually. Nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Errands Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wherein Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Kamir Authentic Shawarma. So located po sila sa The Tree Park sa SM City Clark, and they sent us these goodies on our table. So if you notice, no, so meron tayong Kamir Shawarma Platter. And then next is our Kamir salad. So actually sa salad natin, you can order, you know, a beef salad or a chicken salad, or you want it combined. Meron tayong shawarma, in which Kamir has become well known sa kanilang mga shawarma because they claim to have the, you know, the longest shawarma in Pampanga. This size right here, meron po tayong 6 inches. We have 8 inches with this, which is this one. And then lastly, the longest is a 12 inches shawarma from Kamir. Wow! Right, so let's get into the details. Tikman po natin sila isa-isa. Additional sauces dyan, meron silang Kamir Special Garlic Sauce and Hot Sauce. Yung Kamir Shawarma Rice Platter natin has a spiced jasmine rice. You also have your favorite meat in chicken and beef natin. Sliced vegetables such as lettuce, tomato, and meron din tayong Khubus bread. And then on top of the meat is drizzled famous Kamir Special Garlic. Let's taste it. Wow! Ooh, wow! Guys, ang first thing na nalasa ko is yung beef. It has a different kind of flavor. I wonder how they cook this. Lagyan natin siya ng hot sauce. Ooh. Wow. So, tignan natin to. I wanna use the spoon this time. Guys, check this out. Stick, diba? Oh wow. This is so out of this place. Not a sign of a Filipino flavor. Oh wow. You can order from them through these following delivery partner apps: GrabFood, PAPA.ph, Errands Assistant, Kooryr, Pabilis.ph, and WeDrop.ph. Alright, let's get into this. This is the longest shawarma I've ever seen so far. This guy right here is 12 inches long. You know what I mean? Let's eat it. Continuing guys, ang ginawa ko, hinati ko yung 12 inches shawarma natin. I have not, you know, fully dived into kung ano yung components niya sa loob, but obvious observation dito sa hinati natin. So it has a fries inside, and according to the owner, yan, ang best seller daw sa kanila is yung chicken, kaya ito yung binigay nila sa atin. Okay. Let's try it. Oh wow. Lagyan natin siya ng garlic sauce. Kamir Shawarma, try number 2. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. In fairness, ang sarap din ng kanilang sauce. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in hot sauce plus garlic sauce and Kamir Shawarma, try number 3. Wow. OD Talks. Thank you so much guys for watching our vlog. If you are interested to buy from Kamir Authentic Shawarma, guys, located po sila sa SM City Clark, the 3 Park. They are also available through various delivery partners, no? So if you want to have a selfie with the longest shawarma in Pampanga, guys, make sure to order from Kamir Authentic Shawarma. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, we hope to see you there. Cheers!